Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Aquarius sa August 20, 2024 at 2:25 a.m. Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Aries. So for you Aries, no, pwede tong mas maka-resonate sa mga Aries rising. Okay? But if you are Aries sun or moon, pwede rin naman to mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? So for you Aries, ang full moon in Aquarius is going to happen in your 11th house of friendship, of your community. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, maaaring meron kayong i-release na anything that is no longer serving your highest good when it comes to the community na meron ka, nakasama ka. Yung iba, siguro marirealize nyo na, ito bang group of friends na to, good influence ba to sa akin o hindi? Ito bang mga ito ay merong magandang intentions towards me o wala? 'Di ba? You will feel that. And marirealize mo yan kung ito bang mga kaibigan mo na to supportive sa ginagawa mo or they just want you to be there para meron silang benefits na makukuha sa'yo. Okay? So, you are slowly realizing that. And ngayon, maaring merong malaking pagbabago, no? Because Pluto is also in your 11th house right now. So, this is making, transformation. And having the moon here, you may become emotional, quite emotional, or parang mas haharapin mo ngayon yung nararamdaman mo towards your community, towards the people around you, if you feel na you still belong. Kasi minsan, di ba, pumupunta tayo or pumapasok tayo sa isang grupo, isang community na gusto lang natin na ma-recognize tayo. But actually, that's not who we really are, di ba? Na we just want to be accepted, we just want to belong, no? But for some of you, maaring you may be realizing who you really are, kung ano talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay, and na-realize mo na yung mga taong nakakasama mo, hindi ka na nagre-resonate with their attitude, with their mindset. Minsan ganun lalo na't nag-grow ka, na yung dating in na in para sa'yo na gawin nyo with your groups, with your friends, with your community, ngayon parang, ay, boring na, or, ay, hindi ko na gusto yon, or parang, alam mo yon, parang, na-outgrow mo na, okay? So, meron tong challenging aspect sa, of course, sa sun, because ganoon naman kapag full moon, opposite ang moon and the sun, which is in your 5th house. So, maaring meron kang gustong i-explore about yourself. You want to, parang, alam mo yung gusto mong, para siyang ang analogy dito is, example, isa kang K-pop star or parang part ka ng isang grupo na, yes, naging successful kayo together as a group, but may hangganan yon, and for some reasons gusto mo na to be on your own, na to express yourself on your own. You want to go solo. Parang ganon. Okay? So, yun yung, for some of you Aries, yun yung nararamdaman nyo ngayon, and you want to become, like, to embrace your individuality. Okay? Parang gusto mo nang maging freelancer, or like someone who is in control of his or her life, no? Of their lives. So, ngayon, may nagbabago sa sarili mo, no? You are transforming yourself in becoming a better version of yourself. Kasi meron tong positive aspect, no, sa iyong first house, which is about yourself. You are healing. Okay? Maaring meron ka mga insecurities sa buhay mo na kaya parang nakakaramdam ka ng comfort kapag meron kang nakakasamang iba, dahil maaring meron ka pang takot na, to do things on your own. but I feel like you're healing from that, no? And now, meron ka ng opportunity na magawa yung gusto mo, to be on your own, na to become free, no? Oo. So, meron din tong challenging aspects sa yung second house, which is your assets, uh, your finances. Um, Uranus is squaring your moon. So, parang, ano to yung mati-trigger, okay? So, pwedeng, merong ganap, no? May mangyayari na magti-trigger sa'yo para umalis or bumukod or umiwas sa mga taong nakakasama mo ngayon na sa tingin mo hindi sila nakakatulong sa pag-unlad mo, sa paglago mo, and ngayon parang you want to explore, yung gusto mong i-explore yung sarili mo, like your assets, your abilities, your talents, your skill set, you want to explore that, na parang na-realize mo na, ay, kaya ko palang gawin to ng ako lang, 'di ba? Hindi ko pala kailangan ng tulong ng iba or suporta ng iba, or pag-control ng iba para magawa ko to. So ngayon, it's like you are coming out of your shell. It's like para siyang graduation din. You feel like graduating from a school na a community na nagturo sa'yo ng mga bagay na dapat mong gawin to improve yourself. And now you feel like it's time for you to explore. You want to explore more. Ayan. So, for some of you, pwede rin tong exploration of, your relationships or connections with other people. Pwedeng mag-open rin to ng opportunities for you for new connections, relationships, friendships. Knight of Wands. Very passionate, very Aries ang energy na to. So, I feel like, you want to take some risk, okay? Iba sa inyo, magte-take kayo ng risk, you want to be on your own, travel on your own, going solo. Oh, wow, you will find a lot of success here. Di ba merong mga ganon na nung nasa grupo sila, parang hindi siya masyado napapansin kasi malaki sila they're like part of a group. But then, nung nagsolo yung isa, umalis sa group, doon siya mas nakilala, doon siya mas naging successful, doon siya mas naging matagumpay. Okay, you also have the Emperor. So, yeah, this is your energy, Aries. And I feel like mas nagiging in control ka na sa buhay mo ngayon. Wow. May alam mo yung energy na may pagka-rebellious ka ngayon, no? But in a good way. So parang yung energy ng Aquarius ay na-embody mo ngayon na parang you want to explore more about yourself na hindi na kinakailangan pa ng tulong ng iba per se, na parang uh, you, minsan kasi 'di ba we want assistance from others na gawin mo to, tulungan mo ako dito, ganyan, but I feel like ikaw you can finally do things on your own. Na hindi ka na natatakot dahil alam mo na well equipped ka na. Kumbaga sa labanan, sa giyera, kompleto yung iyong mga kagamitan para lumaban. Okay. Wow, o diba, Aries, a new start is coming your way. Wow. This is an exciting new beginning for you. Your hard work is paying off. Yes. So mararamdaman mo yan na yung mga pinaghirapan mo, yung in-effort mo sa sarili mo, nakikita mo na yung resulta niyan. Kaya nga may success dito Kaya nga na-realize mo na, yes, it's time for me to do things on my own. Na para kang nasa training camp, no? Na let's say you're an athlete. Doon sa training camp, maraming tumutulong sa'yo, nag-a-assist sa'yo, nagme-mentor sa'yo na ito yung gagawin mo. And then after graduating from the training camp, ibig sabihin nun, parang sinasabi sa'yo na, uy, kaya mo na. Oo, you can navigate life on your own kasi well-equipped ka na. Yung mga needs mo, yung mga pangangailangan mo, nandyan na, nasa iyo na. You are ready. You are ready for that battle, and you're going to be successful dahil you know what you want, at andyan yung mga needs mo, yung kailangan mo, nasa iyo na. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.